Welcome to Destruction Farm. We're kind of been doing a video that we haven't really been filming for y'all, but y'all get to see the finale. Just me and Aiden. Aiden, you gotta come in the frame, man, so people can see you. Me and Aiden, we're throwing this to hit that target over yonder, right? Right. Okay, just right. Right in that. There we go. Right in that little area. Okay, I give up. This is hard. Okay, here we go. So, we're going to start out from my dog moved Pokemon card. Come on. Oh, there went the door, folks. There went the door.
Oh, I hit it.
You hit it?
Yeah.
That's game. And now, for the trophy presentation, to yours truly, Aiden March.
Even though this is
no
name.
And fourth, and that's a car on top. But you know,
Thank you.
hang on, we can fix that.
Thank you.
I don't know where we're going to put it.
In the back.
We don't have a back. Anyway, here's your trophy and the winning dart. Anything you like to say to the fans?
Thank you all so much.
Wow.
For this some moment of me winning the thing. I don't know.
See, our videos are... Tomorrow you're going to get a whole daggum thing of turtle hunting. If you don't like turtles getting shot, don't watch it. Thanks for coming to Destruction Farm. Boom! We'll see you next time.